So I've got a normal shift knob in my car now, and thinking with my short throw shifter that's in there, it'd be nice to have a little bit taller of a shifter bar. One with maybe a little hand grip in the center to use if I don't feel like reaching to the top and grabbing. And so I'm going to make a ball up here on this piece of oak that I've turned down a while back that's pretty solid and pretty strong. And so I'm going to cut a piece of this off and make myself a shifter that goes inward from the bottom here. So I've got a hand grip and then a ball head on the top, so it'll go in and then come out around as a ball, and we'll see what happens. Okay, now that I got it chucked up, I'm going to have the base of it where it goes into the shifter down here pretty wide, and then taper inward and then come back out for a ball at the top. So I'll have two positions that I can put my hand, either the top part of it or around the center, depending on how I want to shift. Sometimes the wood just doesn't want to cooperate. There's where that knot was, it's kind of rotten in here, so I've got to take it past that. So my ball head goes down a little bit further. Okay, I didn't show running a drill bit down through the hole to make the hole down here on the bottom, and I didn't show running the tap down through, but basically you just tap it just like normal threads on anything else. And then it'll screw down on the shifter and move the shifter around. So now I just have to put some paint on it. And to do that, I'm going to use a spray mahogany stuff that I picked up and some clear lacquer on it. It's a spray, but since it's tapped and threaded, I can just screw it down, put a string off of it to hold this up somewhere, and then paint away. And here's how it looks in the car. As you can see, it's a much taller unit than the stock one, which makes it a lot easier to shift the car with this short throw shifter. Thanks for watching.